So we're going to start by cutting this mesh into 10-inch squares. This has the right amount of mesh on the roll. It should give us 36, but you guys know sometimes it's off a couple inches. All right, so y'all, we're gonna take our 10-inch square. We're gonna fold it where the two cut sides are touching. Okay. Y'all, and then we're just going to ruffle the cut side to where it folds over like this. So now all of the frayed edges are down here. And then we're going to put all of the fray in the zip tie and pinch it off. Now we don't have to use a wood burner, and all of the frayed edges on the flower are going to be tucked inside. This one is a poly jute. But this method, you could use any of the mesh because it doesn't matter if it frays, right? Because all that ugly fray is going to be stuck in the zip tie. Y'all, you could probably do these petals 12 inches too, and you would get a much larger petal. Y'all, so let's talk about the center real quick. So this is a flat disc from the Dollar Tree. Mel painted it black. Then she put a coat of Mod Podge on it, and then she dipped it in our Halloween sprinkles to make this center. So we're gonna have an all black flower with a Halloween center. The reason that I didn't do 12-inch is because at 10-inch, you only need one roll of mesh for your flower. This is the cut side and this is the cut side. We're gonna fold it right over in half so that we have the two cut sides in one spot. Then we're literally just gonna ruffle the end. Just scrunch it up. Whenever you do that, it's gonna naturally curl. Y'all, that outside ring's a killer. There are 16 on the outside ring. So after the outside ring, the rest of it goes pretty quick. Where do you get the board? You can get it at DecoExchange.com. All right. So we went all the way around the outside. Now we're going to go to the next row. I believe there's 8 on the next 2 and then 4 in the center. All right, we went all the way around the second row. Now we're going to go into the third row. All right, so let's get our center. I'm going to take my metal foil pin and I'm going to cut it really short. I'm just going to use my little pin here and some hot glue. Uh-oh, I already turned off. No, I already turned off the hot glue gun. So I'm just going to use glue. All right, y'all, I'm just going to take a piece of scrap ribbon tail that's laying here. And I'm going to use that to put right over that spot that we glued. All right, so we're just going to find where the holes are in the center. All right, then this is the top of our board where we would put our pipe cleaners to hang it. There we go. All right, y'all, that's it. Bye, y'all.